Greetings, ones and ones. Hey, sweet cheeks. What's up? Look like one of them pretty modern day pirate.
What want me, baby?
Yeah. Better know that me look for you.
That's it.
Right,
That's not so bad.
So, Miss Chin, how you doing?
Today, you know?
Good to be here. Well, I realize we don't have a talk yet since your start, but we're gonna fix that to the door.
Yeah, man.
Dibs, you know how many times time around that? Alright?
Chin, go. Go and check the look on my barber.
Yeah, so how the day treat you?
Tired, I'm tired, man.
Yeah, no worry. We fix that. Alright? So, what is something that you haven't? And you say you can invite you down already. So you are. Now borrow for a minute. I have a little discussion with her. Yes, probably there as well.
Just give me about 5 minutes. If you don't count them, let me hang. Let me send it to you.
No problem.
Just go
Alright?
treat more, you go treat before you talk.
Alright, no problem. Looking good, girl. Yeah.
What one, brother? You know, go leave me by the table then.
Just stop on it now.
Right now.
Good morning, Agent B.
What up here so nice and chirpy is what you get up?
I don't know what kind of mood Karen in the past 3 days, but he might go out with himself.
Ah, that sound nice, see? Only young. Enjoy yourself.
Trust me, I've been enjoying myself.
Alright, T. So let's go. Get some information about over Tony Parlor. For the rest of this week, it's a busy, so I'm going to do. So, mega want you go in Wednesday.
Okay, copy that. What time you want to reach the location?
Get there at about 11.
Okay, will do. That's all?
Oh, and the next thing, make sure you have a pair of fashion glasses. Yeah, they look like you tested. And more you have an accent.
Accent? Oh, me gonna do that, Bubbles?
What you mean? Do you know watch Oliver show up on the internet? Eh? Yeah man, find an American accent.
Alright, let's go watch some Netflix practice.